Hi guys, welcome back to the Tsonga Tribe channel. Today I'll be showing you one of the Tsonga shampoos that we grow at home, and sometimes we don't even grow it. It just grows naturally, especially when it has rained. It just comes out. If the soil is rich, it also comes out. If maybe it's a deserted place that is always sunny or that is always hot and there is no much water, it also grows there. We call it DINDA. That's our shampoo. I think they also modify it and use it as a shampoo, as you can see. It's like a small tree. It grows where there are little grasses, so it also grows there. It has purple flowers and it has thorns, but then I didn't pluck it with the thorns now, as you can see. It's also dusty because it was raining here in Limpopo. So here it is. So I will show you on how we use it and how it becomes a shampoo. And it also removes dandruff and it makes the hair rich and it prevents breakage on hair. And it also makes the hair long and to always stay black, like it doesn't change color. It's good for natural hair. It's very good because it maintains good healthy hair for a person. So I will show you on how we use it, and actually you will see it when I use it on someone's hair. I won't use it on mine because I have already braided my hair, but then I will show you when we use it on someone's neck.